Hi, this is Dr. Allison Cohen with AC Chiropractic, and here's just a little bit of information for you today about what is the chiropractic adjustment. There are multiple ways and different techniques to do a chiropractic adjustment. Some will do it manually with hands-on, some will use an activator or an impulse machine of some type, others will use drop tables. All of them work, it just depends on what your body needs at any given moment in time as to which technique is best for you. With any of the techniques, the point is we want to take any misaligned bony segment, whether it's a vertebral column or a shoulder or anything, any joint in the body, you take what's misaligned and you put it back into its proper natural anatomic position. Thanks for watching.